A joke bone. Cole was a bloke that liked to joke. He liked to wave and joke.
Yay!
Cole had a big nose like a cone and a head like a dome. Cole's home on the globe was a hole in a cave he had with his mom and his dad. One day, Cole found a broke bone under a pole. Cole made a plan to make a joke on his mom and dad. Cole made a date to do the close joke with the bone. Cole's dad's name was Hope.
Hello.
And his mom's name was Kate.
Ooh!
Hope and Kate had a date at home to taste a plate of smoke-cooked food. Cole made a hole in the plate of food and hid the bone. Hope had a sniff with his nose. Yum, yum, said Hope. Kate put her hand in the plate of food and had a taste. Yummy, Kate said. But what is this bone?